Once a forgotten stretch of depressed row houses here in East Baltimore, the 1600 block of Gorsuch Avenue represented an opportunity for Beverly Clayton.
As soon as I saw it and I would work around the corner, I drove over here and I sized it up and then I called my realtor.
Of roughly 20 vacant properties in the block, 4 more are in the process of being rehabbed, and 2 of those became the property of the city through a program called REM 1. Once the liens and tax bills exceed the property's value, the owners can forfeit them. Under the next proposed phase of that program, the city could acquire even more.
In REM 2, when the liens are below the value of the property, lots of notice, and we compensate the old owner. We still are able to work on a whole block basis.
In the initial phase of the program over the last 2.5 years, the city only acquired 419 properties. Its goal is 200 per month of the more than 12,000 vacants throughout the city. Ramos is also focused on trying to remove costly delays in permitting, which have slowed some developers' abilities to renovate, while others have moved forward without them.
We've got to get this fixed so that we can make sure that any property that's rehabbed, the buyer or whoever's in it is confident that the health and safety standards are met.
They are ambitious goals for a city with too much blight and too little housing, as residents look for places to call home.
It's an investment and I have children and grandchildren, so I wanted something to pass down. If I could, that would be a great thing for me.
In East Baltimore, Jeff Hager, WMAR 2 News.